For an outdoor utility knife, this is it right here. It's a really good knife to keep. If you're a person that goes on hiking, fishing, or adventure out there, you need something like this. Also makes a perfect gift for anyone. This part right here is my favorite part. It's steel right here. The blade is carbon steel. Look at that blade. Look how amazing. It's very sharp. Please be careful. It was made in Japan. Now this part right here is a safety. If you tied it up all the way tight, you could just leave it at a piece like there. You could pop it out like for an inch or 2 inch, or you could put it all the way and then tied it up all that. It does not push like that. The safety in your pocket. So that was made really well. They send this braided, good heavy duty quality of a little string rope. You could just tie it up here and hang it up in your wrist. But I gotta tell you, this is really good for outdoors. Really nice, thick rubber quality. And you could see, look, we could open up like cans and stuff like that. You could cut a toothpaste. You could cut a rope. You could do a lot of stuff with this. If you want to cut something, we're gonna pop this. So we cut in a piece of cardboard box, tied it up right here. Please watch your hand and just come like that. Clean. See that? It's a really sharp knife. Sometimes I'm in the garden and I need a knife. And if I don't have a knife, I have this to cut the string. Cuts like butter. The standard utility knife, the blade is much more cheaper and like really cheesy quality. Even like the handle will, this part will like break into half and stuff like that. With a knife like this, it's really sturdy, it's really heavy, really good quality. You buy, only thing you're gonna have to get later on after a knife like this, you know, obviously buy an extra blade to change the blade eventually. Depends how much time you're gonna use it. But this part right here, you don't need to change. It's very, really good standard heavy duty quality. So a knife like this, if you go outdoors, example, you want to cut some branch, or you want to cut a piece of rope, or if you catch some fish and you want to clean the fish, you could just like take this part right here and clean the fish. If you catch like a wild rabbit or something like that, this could do the job. This thing is very sharp and strong blade like that. All right, check in the description box, read up more about it, learn more about it, and get your hand on a really good quality utility knife. If you're not going to use this, definitely get it for someone for a gift. This will make the ultimate gift.